Why do Docker builds get faster after the first run? Layers. A Docker image is built from a stack of read-only file system snapshots called layers. Think of it like stacked transparencies. Each one adds or changes something on top of the previous. The final image is what you see when all those layers are combined together. Each Dockerfile instruction that modifies the file system, run, copy, and add, creates a new layer. From sets your starting point, run instruct copy brings in your files. Every one of those steps bakes a new snapshot into the image, stacked on top of the last. Here's where Docker gets clever. If a layer hasn't changed since the last build, Docker reuses it from cache instantly. But as soon as it hits a changed layer, it rebuilds from that point forward. So put your most stable instructions first for the fastest builds. Two final things to know. When a container starts running, Docker adds one writable layer on top. That's where your app can write files at runtime. And when multiple images share the same base layers, Docker stores them just once on disk, saving real space. Docker images are stacks of read-only layers, one per Dockerfile instruction, cached for speed, shared to save disk. Nail this explanation and you'll stand out in any Docker interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.